Una don already sabi some one of the thing we will get for talk on this afternoon, country people dem. Good afternoon for outside the country people dem. Tori for this afternoon. Plenty question. Na who dey bring that Sarah dem say Transparency International for Cameroon? Question number one. Plenty people dey ask am who side that Sarah dey comot and na who give dem badge for talk say they be Transparency International, say na dem dey can look as we vote for getting Nkunkuma e dey happen for country. Na the one that way e dey for all man here and all man sef e dey trouble for here wetin we get for passport. The one e dey happen wey person wey dey call am say wetin Oga Jean Bikoko e don talk say thing wey e dey so Maurice come to talk say e dey so e don win vote, say that one e no concern no man, say e be get right for talk to wey dey talk. Then e don talk for ground and go say wetin, say make e no dey over put him up inside chapter for election for country. Tori for this afternoon too, we go take una go for place wey they call am say Marwa, wey police people themselves they don do better work. They don catch sotey 10 young people dem wey dey the suspect say they get hand inside palava for thief and palava for insecurity for that side. So for Marwa we go talk that tori and enter too for inside quarter dem for tell una say quarter people themselves they dey hear bad newspaper too e dey. We go talk wetin wey dem too dey see am with their own eye this afternoon. Big part talk e dey tell we say wetin no be na for sika say one person e work fine na im mean say another person too fit catch sidon for the same place e do the same work. I say no be na for sika say one person e dey do better work na im mean say another person too e fit so can sidon for the same place e do the same work wey the other man do am. This big part talk e dey come after wey dem knack with woman football team for that side. So for France 6-0 na Elomba Elat for Boya side e send am for we. I dey turn back small time. Good afternoon, country people dem. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side. So for Tori House for Equinox chapter 1, we go start now with the palava for thief and palava for some people dem wey they don catch them for inside that side. So for Marwa, country people dem, as we talk, we go start first with the quarter dem. Waiting dey happen for quarter. Now big place that for inside Marwa. All that young boy then so wey they wan comot for inside central police station for Marwa. Now boy the way they catch them, when you count and so you go see the dey like some them 10 wey e dey so they don't catch them. Yes, them 10 so wey they put them for hand wey all them they dey so suspect o. They never talk say they don't, but someone the day wey they don already start show sign say they get hand. Sabi say the 10 boy them or people the way they see am 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. They dey them 10 normal. It means say one last person can add wey make them 11 where they catch them. See close where they meet up and for side way they catch some of them. You know I see they get Ketu their clothes, even military people their clothes, they get all thing. Then see una dey see nothing that way they meet up and all them so with the collars all kind of thing. Central commissioner for that side Hayim Martin sef in a other small commissioner them na them they join hand inside the palava so before they catch the point them. But sabi say one of the thing the way they talk and say the people that they catch them, one of them e get hand for some person wey dey kill am. Yes, one of them e get hand for some person wey dey kill am for that side. So wey they call am say Marwa. Now some business man for Marché Abattoir for Marwa, and na dem too they don't get hand for inside plenty thing there. So all dem so wey dey see where they comot them, wey dey so talk say na allege for BB grammar. Na it mean say they never confirm whether they be original thief people or they no be original thief people. But for now they the only say so suspect them. It means say they never confirm. But the two wey make and so they want confirm them. Now after wey they meet up all the clothes, they see collar, see knife, see thingy them, all thing wey they meet up and for inside place wey they use am attack people them for inside Marwa side dey. So police people then say they make investigate for that side for get the true thing wey e pass. Inside Douala here country people them sabi say since when northwest and west many happen, train e no the waka. Now for place where they call am say forever, if you get for look at that place fine. train e no the waka. Na train e road that. Una see as well they don't keep train e road. When the train go start waka, how train go manage waka for the kind of place? Una dey see am? Na train e road that. Iron don lost all for ground. Sabi say since we chapter northwest and west e start, train e no the waka. See train road. Una dey see train road. See as well they don't make train road. Train road now e don turn na guataho. You no even check sef say e dey like say iron dey pass for under. See how they don block am. E mean say when the train go start waka, they get for come back again, come open the whole place. See, na train road that where e don lost all. I say the train road e don lost all. So we dey ask na question. Na say the Douala sick dey for the Douala people then, or people there dey sit down for that quarter. How they go manage see say iron for train road dey pass? Na for them wey Guatahona don be, water don cover all place. Even iron for train road, you know the see am again. Na only for up here this year. So this kind of thing so e no correct. E no correct. Na for the same place where when train go start pass, the train get for can pass today. But since we confusion no west and west dey, train no the overwaka here again. Yes, train no the waka. Sabi say train be use to go Kumba, e go carry people them, e come for Banga on to, e can let people them for Douala. But since we confusion start, train no the waka. Population for people the way Douala on the go carry e the commoner for Kumba. So we no dey again. Train e no the fee for waka. As well on the sea and so. Make we hear what way people them for that side. So they talk for we own man for that side where they call it say Romanus.
When you see right, that will train the back. Motor the park na for right. Any man put dodgy na for right. That's where they come on for park motor they put the park motor na for right. Train of it pass. When the people they sell na market or market they are for right, I don't know. People they sell chin na for road. When people can't put motor na for road, any man where they park they put the gym inside for road for right. When right the pass now so they go find na you know if pass plenty dodgy they park all chin people they sell na for right na for road for right. Now who's going to that?
They know for people again for park machine for that corner pay for right. Any person go me na fi push for work for go me na place. They get up for you know push machine push Okada for corner pay for right before the dosi na Douala. Any man picking there for one man country the camp for Douala safe. They see Douala different man. Only dosi.
Now our training road that where they don't already put water. Oga Ntone, I want ask you now one question. Some place no dey where they fit throw dirty for inside the Douala. All corner for Douala na place or throw dirty. So te dirty say go surely me talk Kotobas or a die place. See Kotobas a die place where they put it for ground. See where dirty don't enter now. Dirty, they like say place no dey for the Douala where they fit throw dirty. Any place where they see na dirty they throw ya. People the way they enter from Mabanda, they wanna sabi the road. Mabanda for Douala. Inside Bonaberi side, wanna sabi the road. Na roadway dey for corner place where they bury people. Una they call am na cemetery. Na cemetery for BB grammar. Me at the Thursday place where they bury people. Na place where they keep people them for 6 feet. The place it be fair day they know the trade dirty. Now, motor they say they carry dirty. They can't heap up now for that side. Then motor they even get for can carry the dirty throw am for different side. Now they carry dirty can heap up for the same place. When no hope, no they say they go can carry and they see for corner. They the same boo. It means say people that go so tonton campers, they can't sit down for back dirty, they drink them boo. You understand? They drink them boo, they drink am, dirty the smell, it enter their nose, even chop, they chop for corner, they no care there. Now for just, I say people there, they go Mabanda plenty for inside Douala for, they sabi the road, now in this. Thieves of Sawe, moto they can't throw dirty, no man say they can't carry dirty, and they only can't throw. See Kotobas place where they bury. So more time dirty go enter for day. Now say we no get place or trade dirty for inside the Douala. All place na dirty. All place dirty. And the people then too for here they like for search up now for place where they say they keep dirty. Now they want better thing that why I like people then for Douala. Place where they smell na place that they search up make people they come buy. Make we hear them and me talk.
Where the war really again. Exactly. Don't carry the thief from bush. They instead bring a right to town and for people they consume food a day and chop and not only food. That means we say rice, we say tomato, all that kind of things. Things where where human being get to take up. But we be surprised now where exactly they carry the people bush, then they bring them to town. So the old dog, they overtake in the old dog, and not only we, but they buy them, the they can buy. So they overtake the old dog. So they were worried with if they feel heavy, if they feel heavy, what you exactly do, I don't really find the act.
That one inside Bonaberi. Make we enter for some place, rain no the fall again. But the year bad. Now for Mabanda? Yes. See, mommy, rain no the fall again plenty. But road, it never so turn fine. According to team where big man for inside Douala for talk, he talk say the road, they plan for say make they can put a tile on top. Me say they go put how you put up. Block them. They go poo block them for day. One way they call them say tie. For French they talk say pavé. They say they plan for do it. But I swear they get for plan for do that work way, we no sabi when they go do it. The roads na come and see. Rain e no dey fall again, but population for that side they no fit waka for the road peacefully. All corner na big hole. All corner big hole. All corner big hole. Water eternal for inside like say water no go ever dry. Una see water? See how the man go enter. When he enter for that water, all things so go lost inside the water. More see deeper the man with the truck. You know the way no day for he like for pass short. So he must enter inside that water for push jam create mimbo there. A pass una see how water the reach mimbo a truck. Una see no? Now for inside Mabanda. So immediately people there for Mabanda, people they ask the question, how did the manage she done for the Okada they get palava? People that say they work out foot, they nyati na for corner. Okada too the one make like say me nyati when no day it must enter for inside water. All man put the foot for up. One way no want to say water touch it. So we ask na question whether na some person get for do the work or na some particular person. Even motor where they give me body can pass. All motor them they swim pass. See how motor go swim enter. See una see water. Una see na road that where they enter for people their quarter. They place your day like say e no dey for Douala. Na Douala more na no surprise na Douala. I dey say now so that the tonton email I say that the court vote the one do cut and nail for our road them. Then na road in this way they get for enter go fix am. As I be say when they want fix am, they go chakara people their house too. That one too go be a problem. For Sika say some people they don't enter so take for road. They make their housing. So when no go there, if they want fix this road, people then from Abanda on Sabi say they go chakara on a house so on a no respect side for be house. One can't drive for road. All the one they saw as why they talk on a Sabi say put the this year. They go come fix the roads and on a house there will be a trouble. If you no respect the order, start prepare yourself. For Sika say they go fix that road. I don't already talk on. If road from Abanda na palava for water, for that side for Limbe, upper Mao or na lower Mao quarters. Now for Limbe, the road so on this year, na road where they go for school, government primary school Mao, lower Mao. The road when rain in the fall for day, only kene way the kene. Pikin they know the fee for go for school. For Sika say before Pikin one finish climb he go for school. Pikin he don kene for that license 20 times. So now for Sika why that way as we place it there some kind. People then say for Mao quarter, they don't come and say if council no one can help, make they use their hand and their digger and their shovel. They dig their own water hole. Make they dig their own water hole before they wait for see whether council go come put him up or council no go put him up. Now when they receive it, then they don't come out them plenty. They say they no want their picking them for suffer. Time when rain go start fall. For Sika say now when rain never start for save na trouble. For people then for waka, go for school. Primary school there for up. So they say make they work their work. But they talk for council. For that side for Limbe, make they sit where they go do am for them. For Sika say the thing na really big palava for them. Palava. Na better thing. When they try for talk congratulate for the kind of work them, make una know where say men governor can do. See work where they say they don't do it. Only for Sika say they want open road, they don't want to say make them get make Pikin they get polo back. Time where they want go for road. So make we left that one so. When we meet up with some of the people then for that quarter, they try for tell we as well that road the use so they time when rain fall plenty.
So we dig and would hands them. And now the situation we're in now, we don't even try for the dig and we don't start the buy seawater from our individual pockets.
All right.
But now we hand to, they don't start they don't short, they don't tight. So we just the big if cancel too. They feel considered sorry we self. So that made that picking them when they want to go school too. When they work out too, no fit carry uniform, you want reach schools. Their uniform all around dirty. Where it go make picking them they be untidy for class. So the big make cancel at least may they improve this road. So that when picking to they go school, may they be like the other picking them for the other school them. Just people just they clear the road where now we hand. Now small passage where they be try for pass go, but now where would they try for improve the road so where would they create the road with the dig and we hand them.
Okay. Because
we don't try for the but we just they see big. If cancer feel level, we will be so grateful.
With the struggle for dig the road so now we hand since from down there. It don't stay where council never see how we fit do with the road. The road so they lead to government school Lower Mawo. So with the digger in our hands so we rain the fall, we know they picking off a pass. So with the beg government will beg council. May they struggle, may they try for help with caterpillar. May we dig and make the road make it be passable way. It go help we the people them for inside this quarter and everybody where they go for school. May they help we even gravel. We don't struggle so when we walk and so no gutter no day. So we struggle with hand all through put gutter. So with the beg, may government try to see into our problems. May Lower Mawo, may them to make they enjoy fine road. Where even the teachers them, they feel work are free, they go for school.
We go climb now so for that we show na sideways school day. Government primary school Mahu. Make we climb that hill. Now for bush road there. Now small road this way they go for the school then na for inside on small bush. You understand? Then the school he faces up. Una see school, government primary school. And this school they ever get 100% country people. They ever get 100% but see how school day. Na Kalabo then the Kalabo to do oh it do it for 4 careless. And the beg say make governor say travels. Governor the give school and no want us all na the people they say they get for be their school. Now the condition this way that picking them for primary school they suffer for Mao. See now only empty zinc. Even ceiling no day. Now see una see our class day. And this school as well here all time 100% they champion for common entrance first school living certificate. But for condition for learn condition na very very work condition. Picking them say they fit enter. Governor never ever give no nonsense. All thing na sorry hard for people them. They can't dash chair for picking them for shidon. The one sorry hard, they can't dash chair. Nowadays this also see na different name them for day. Say they so na different people that they can't dash thing them. It means say no nothing. Governor don't just give the school palm. Mawo wanna take the school. The school no get no nothing. Now all the school that way they see and so Calabot open air. Calabot said don't even oh. Now headmaster he chair that. Nadine. Now headmaster he chair that. Now for the way headmaster the shidon. Now headmaster offices. Headmaster no even get better office. Now offices. Since away headmaster the shidon. So now for tell we say people then for Lower Mawo government primary school. Government primary school Lower Mawo Limbe. Una see school. School just dey empty. Headmaster no even get office where get air conditioner. You no get office where get chair where they make it A1, A2 for inside. Where no dey. And they should not for trunk chair so they even snakes if he pass he enter say bite am. Empty office. We turn back for Douala for talk this palava people them for shipyard. We hear say so now they never pay them money. They be there again for labor office. This thing you don't turn a different thing. No. Minister for work, labor, he come Douala, he hold meeting with the people, the whole Dongamen. He talk say they go pay them after vote he pass. After vote don't pass, they also go for that side for labor office. Money never come out. Una sabi time they start promising people their money. Since say December, they say they will give them money, they go chop Christmas with them. December 2017 don't pass. 1st January, New Year Day, it don't pass. Money no come out. They say okay, they go pay them before school year start. School year don't start, so they small time picking they go holiday. Money never so come out. All day now for labor office they she don't now. So they talk say men governor talk thing the quick. People the way they hold the money they no one pay them. Now only then they sabi. They say Nkunkuma be doing this sign book. So they be expect say people there they work with Nkunkuma. They get for here commandeer. They send them their money. So now money never enter for their kwa. Nothing that way they talk, and why that way they so block lock roads for enter for labor office for inside the wala here. They so there for day. All day they cry. All day they cry. Okay, oh. Men governor way in the year here. Prime Minister here oh. Kunkuma. They are picking them that. They say you don't sign books, say they pay the money, but they never pay them something now. They never pay them something now. I say Transparency International, true, una become Cameroon. Transparency una become Cameroon. Who side the white man they come out? Who side the white man then they come out? See, people the way they una start tell we true. Who side the white man they come out? I no one call people their name. Oh, the small time they go to ambassador. Why you call that name? People the way they give una pass. Who side una come out? Una tell you una true. Because when they see the face, they like saying that one man there, they don't just go pick them. Bring them for some sense, una can't turn up, una be like the people there. Transparency International talk say no sabi the people there at all. Say no sabi there. Say no sabi who send the people then say make they can look vote for Cameroon. Say them say like Transparency. They no send no man. So he no sabi side with the people then the white man them. They come also to the car. Well then, it dey like say na that one man they turn for inside here when they. Or when you look their face, right, they like say na that one the way they need the chop plenty. Yes, they need the chop plenty. Now that kind of one the way when they just tell they say when I can't do something, they the joke up. Other people they talk say it dey so way, it dey so way, it dey so way. Who side the white man they come out? All man they ask that question. Transparency don't deny. Say you know sending people there for Cameroon. So who said the one man they come out? So they talk say vote for Cameroon, it pass fine. No palava no be day. No palava no be day. So now the thing this way they now for inside Tori country people. Who side the white man they come out? This side them. Who side they come out? I no go talk plenty. Dynamic citoyen, non-governmental organization. Make we talk, we turn back. When I see the face of mommy. When I see the face of the mommy. When I see the mommy face fine, una go tell me say way una fi picky. When una see the mommy face fine, una go tell me say way fi come out. There say na that mommy there dey so tonton for Limbe. For down beach, they dey chop fish with brother them. They say they be white man people there. Now they don't catch she don't now say they be Transparency International. I don't want to talk again. If I talk, things they go pass. Dynamic citoyen to a be meet with the Tori people them. Jean-Marc Bikoko. Now that it's a thing when Maurice come to talk say he win vote. He no see palava why people they get for over talk. Yes, Jean-Marc Bikoko talk say he no see why people they get for over talk. Say if you don't talk, say don't win vote. Now for people that for she don't quiet, they no be need for over talk. Like say don't talk as over what. They say even law, he don't talk say if he talk so, but so far as we never talk say that he be president. Palava no the day. He talk say great and go. May too if she don't, he look all the way the over talk. Say when the way the over talk, it the show like say he says it play some big role inside the palava for chapter for vote. So Jean-Marc Bikoko talk for great and go. Padiman control the way you over talk for some kind of thing there. We sabi say be minister for territorial administration. That one no man no the argue. But Jean-Marc Bikoko talk say make great and go to a sabi the way he talk the palava. Then he turn back for the people there. Yes, he turn back for the people there. The people then say Transparency International. So they make press conference. They call people then say maybe they want to talk. Hey, Cameroon, white man. So it means say Sarah go fool we anyhow. Jean-Marc Bikoko don't talk alone, I don't talk to a talker. And no go talk plenty again on top. We only wait for year wait till Constitutional Council go talk. We hear say people then for vote. They don't already start for work since yesterday. So the wait, they count the vote them. Plenty people they talk their talk. Me I no go talk plenty. We go surely turn back for them another time when Tori he don't enter. Tori don't finish. Make we enter for wait till newspaper say they talk this afternoon country people them. The guardian post wey e dey for outside today, e dey turn back for talk palava for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. They say come to after wey e talk say e don win vote one time Ngomna and people the way they dey for Bagbiya na so too their skin is shake. They provoke. Wetin dey make am? Isa Chiruma, Jean Kwete, Atango, Gregoire Ona, Gaga Aman, Lawan Bako, all dem dey comot. Na fire this. Then fire on top Maurice Kamto so take time no day. So for inside the guardian post, you go hear as well Transparency International. E don talk say e no send no one eye person for can look vote for Cameroon as well Cameroon be the vote. Na so to Archbishop for Yawinde. E dey talk say make people dem pray out, say make something e no happen after we vote for Genyun Kunkuma e happen for we country. For that side for Ndonga Mantum, guardian post dey tell we say 4 people they don't sleep straight. Plenty house they don't burn am. Other tori the day for inside the guardian post, you fit buy am, you read USSF. The Sun newspaper too wey dey for outside today country people dem, e get e own tori for talk for we. Inside the Sun newspaper, Transparency International, e say lie to lie, they no send them no one man for can look vote as we pass for inside Cameroon. Now they talk that for the Sun. The Sun too, e dey tell we as we after we come to talk say na he win vote for Genyun Kunkuma, Ngomna, CPDM and other people dem can't see how they dey talk back. They say come to stop that wish. You get wish for Sabiti way we who don't win, but Sabi say that one. Now the thing where they push on e talk they say 1992 vote where they be tifam. Say that kind of one e no go happen again as well that sin or that bad thing is also there for on top of the country. According to the Sun newspaper too, e tell we say African Union CSF election observer them. They don't talk say wetin one the way African Union send am, whether to they be send am to because now so all team for Cameroon and team for she don't quite look am. African Union too for talk say wetin say e dey so people them they call Cameroon governor say after we vote e pass, may they try for see as well they go look a palava for this chapter for Northwest and Southwest. They should down for one table for talk am. They tell you to say 3 people them they die for Bamenda. They will vote for Genyun Kunkuma if it happen. Other tori the day for inside the Sun newspaper where you fit for reader. Last one we'll look for inside na Eden newspaper. Con people them Eden newspaper where they for outside today too. He get his own tori for tell him. They try for talk for we as we more than 10 people themselves they don't kill them for that side. So for Econam, waiting really happen for Econam where 10 people they die. Enter for the Eden newspaper where they for outside today go Sabiam. Now so today they tell we chapter for vote for Genyun Kunkuma. Come to CSF after we talk. Now so to plenty other people then too. They don't come up for talk. For Sika say he talk say he don't win vote. Now so to they take we say me could talk chapter for politics for Nigeria for talk chapter 2 for their own Kunkuma. They say Buhari versus Atiku Abubakar. Now the 2 old people then that way they go meet up as well Nigeria people then too. They prepare for go vote their new Kunkuma. Now 2019 that one it go happen. Now the tori then that's what we get on this afternoon. We want to say big thank you for Oga D.O. for side for Tombe. They call it say Yam Leona. We try for tell we person will be announced this morning time. Say he don't lost. He call we for tell we say he for Tombe. Thank you plenty. Oga D.O. Yam Leona for that side so for Tombe. Sabi say big day for I. A day now tomorrow. Big day for I. So if you want to do your iron job, I for check your iron job. All things they happen for that side for I hospital for the panda side. So calling people them. I want to say big thank you for Malice. Now you make you see me for Facebook Live. If you there for Facebook or if you turn say for YouTube for look me after. Even Zephyrin Gondi now you make you hear sound for people that ready to talk. Thank you plenty to Nadine Waffle. Thank you to plenty Farel Bunya and Dam Mitterrand. Now them the hell for put looking glass for my before. I go turn back for some time on a whole I'm tight for outside.